Flawless Skin Gang. This is Sele, and today I have another posh skin secret for you guys. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to hit the subscription button down below. If you're already subscribed member, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever there's a new upload coming from me, and also don't forget to leave me a beautiful comment and let me know what other videos you want me to do so that I will do them for you. Okay, so today we're going to be making a flawless glowing skin whitening scrub. A flawless glowing skin whitening scrub. Now this scrub, I'm going to be using brown sugar and white sugar together. In the bowl, in my mixing bowl, I already have my brown sugar. You can use whatever quantity of brown sugar or white sugar you want to use. Today I'm using half and half. I'm using half cup of, that's 500 grams of white sugar, and I'm also using 500 grams of brown sugar. That's 1 kg of our sugar mix. And here I'm just giving it a beautiful stir so that everything is incorporated together and we have a good mix. Okay, so after combining our sugars, our brown sugar and our white sugar, I'm going to incorporate my oils. Now this scrub, I'm not going to add any form of water in this scrub. Everything that I'm going to use to mix would be our oils. So here I'm using my grapeseed oil, and I'm using 1/8 cup to measure my grapeseed oil. I'm going to add that into our bowl of brown sugar and white sugar alike. You can use whatever oils that you like to use, essential oils, and every oil that I use will be listed in the description bar. Sorry about any noise that you hear. I live in Nigeria, so when they take the lights, when there's a power cut, definitely neighbors will turn on their generators, so please bear with me. So here I'm using sunflower oil as well. Like I said, you can use whatever oils that you like. Just make sure you're using oils that will glow your skin and give you that smooth feel. And I'm also going to be using castor oil. I'm using the same measurement of our castor oil. And in this scrub, you can also add your shower gels if you want it to be soapy and foam, or you can just leave it as this and use it as it is. Here I'm also adding lavender oil. I'm going to be using half of the 1/8 cup of lavender oil. And like I said, you can use as much materials or ingredients as you would like to use. This is my preference. I'm not really putting any effort into measurements and all of that. I just use the oils as much as I want, and you can do the same. Use any oil that you would like, and go ahead and make it your own. Now here I also added soap booster, whitening soap booster into this scrub. Because it's a scrub, yes, you can add your soap booster and all of that. Now moving to our oils, I have my buttermilk. Moving to our powder, sorry, I have my buttermilk powder, which I'm going to be putting in a bowl to mix them all together. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of our buttermilk powder. This buttermilk powder will help give you that silky smooth result. It helps in minimizing your pores. It helps in giving you that soft, supple look, and I'm also going to be using my Snow White powder. I'm going to add that into the bowl. You can use whatever whitening powders that you would like. I like to use the Snow White powder. You can also use your AHA. You can use glycolic acids or any of those acids that would help boost this scrub. Here I'm adding my orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is very good for the skin as well. It has great vitamin C property in it, and it helps to glow. So I also added my fenugreek that I have blended together, and all of my other whitening properties and glowing properties like the powders. I mixed everything together with my coconut oil, and I mixed it into a bowl of brown sugar. Make sure that you're mixing everything properly. Make sure whatever you're doing, make sure you take your time to mix it very, very well. Now here I'm using my DIY what's it called now? Sorry, I got distracted by my kid. I'm using my DIY scrub base that I made, and if you want this DIY scrub base, you can leave me a message in the description, in the comment section, or you can reach me on WhatsApp or on our Instagram page to get this base. This base is a whitening base. It helps to brighten your skin evenly. It has vitamin E and all of that in it, so it's really, really good for your scrub. You can use it for your scrub, you can use it for your creams. It's very, 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 very good. So here I'm just mixing everything together, making sure that everything is incorporated together. Now, if you are making this and you feel you need more sugar, you can go ahead to add more sugar. So here I'm just adding my freshly squeezed lemon juice into the scrub. This also has great lightening properties. It will also help with pimples, acne, discoloration, dark spots, and all of that. So don't hesitate to add you can use orange juice as well or lime juice, but I decided to use my freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now here, if you noticed, I added more sugar because I didn't like the consistency that I had. I wanted a more thick and firm consistency, so I added more sugar. Like I said, you can add more or use less. It depends on what you want to achieve. So because this product is going to be used in the bathroom and definitely it will come in contact with water, you want to be sure to add your preservatives. Make sure you add your preservatives, because if you don't want your products to go bad, definitely it will come. We didn't use any water here, but because I know it will come in contact with water while you're bathing in the bathroom and all of that, I decided to use preservatives. So please use one or more preservatives if you would like. Use the one that you prefer. I'm using Germa Plus preservative here. Okay guys, so I also added fenugreek into a scrub that will help incorporate with the sugar to help exfoliate your skin properly. And here I also added my very beautiful green food coloring. I love this color. I love it. I love this color because it gives off a very beautiful earthy look in the container that I'm going to be using. So That's why I opted for green. I love this color. It's so vibrant and beautiful. Now you can decide to use any color that you want. You mustn't use green. You can use any coloring that you want to use. I'm using this container because it's see-through and it will give off a beautiful view when you look at the scrub in the container. So yeah, I'm using this beautiful container. If you like to buy any of my products, please leave me a message and I will definitely get back to you. We have different beautiful products that you will benefit you, and we can also work with you to give you a custom product as well if you want us to. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you for coming back. If you're an already subscribed member, thank you for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to this channel and leave me a thumbs up, leave me beautiful comments so that I can be encouraged to do more videos and show you more posh skin secrets. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. This is our beautiful scrub. This is our flawless glowing skin whitening scrub for a beautiful glowing skin. Okay, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Yes, tell us your skin issues. We can help. Okay, bye, guys. Bye.